If you've been around here for a while, you know that there is nothing I love in the world more than playing with vehicle repairs and fixing my car when an issue pops up. Armed with a repair manual and the determination to become as free of traditional mechanics as possible, I started with mechanical components, delved into electrical, and now I pretty much fix everything on the vehicle and thoroughly enjoy the process. This year, I've decided to take things to the next level. I'm offering freelance automotive writing services to the B2C automotive industry with a laser focus on content that converts and is very search friendly. As someone who was a writer and blogger first before becoming a mechanic, I don't just understand Google's EEAT. I can easily demonstrate my experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness for your brand online, whether it's a blog post, social media entry, product review, or any sort of writing in the automotive niche. If your content must be different from the AI generated garbage we see all around today, and importantly, do what you want it to do, then it must be handled by someone who is not only good with words, but also very niche passionate. Reach out to me today via throttle@ThrottleHolic.com and I'll be happy to discuss your project and pricing.